Alright, buddy. Back. Back.
I think I don't have any meat.
Oh, I got some food.
That's okay, I've got some small rocks.
I legit just ate it instead of combining.
I think we should turn in this inlet right here on the right. And then just get some shit.
Haha! Alright.
I want to find this settlement that has the map and the compass.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. And the katana shit. Fuck.
Dude, yeah. I want some katana action going on.
What the hell is that? Yo, I don't know what that is, but there's something out in the water.
Where? Turtles.
Where? Hey, you don't kill my turtle, I kill my turtle. His name is Joey, god damn it.
Oh my god.
Used as a sled?
What the fuck?
Used as a sled. Oh, Chris!
Oh my god.
It didn't make a noise, but it smelt the fuck out of me.
This small bed looks like the most uncomfortable thing in the world.
Can we sleep on it?
I don't know. Oh my god, he's right there.
What?
The thing that came down. You could tell like which kind of arrow.
Chris, I just ran into a bunch of babies.
Well.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit, hey buddy.
Oh hey, the blue dude was right around.
Yeah, his babies are back there. Oh. Oh, buddy, does it work?
Can you sleep in it?
Yeah.
It'd look cooler if you were sleeping.
I had to do something, Jesus Christ. You needy bastard. Okay, so your little skull lights.
Oh, nice.
I
rock
told you
head.
I fucked it up. Sticks are at least plugged in.
Yeah.
What's the,
For us, he's right there.
There's two of
Oh
them.
my god. Are you fucking serious?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Three.
What?
Three.
Where?
Three. All together.
Oh.
Two
Oh!
blue,
It's
one
huge!
rhino. That's the big one. I don't even know, man.
Jesus fucking Christ.
It's funny too, because my next step was traps, and obviously we can't get to that with these motherfuckers right there.
Does that thing have eyes?
Yeah, I think they all do.
Oh.
Nothing.
Oh my god, the other one's right on the wall.
He's coming straight in the door.
He's on me, that's... Oh, Chris! Oh, what is he?
Oh god. Oh god.
We haven't even been here a night. Get over here. Leave our house alone. Yes, come after me, bitch. Oh, he doesn't stop? What the fuck? How does he do that? What the fuck? Oh, he's still coming. Oh my god. He just knocked me over. I don't know if I'll be able to kill this thing. Oh, this guy is a fucking menace.
Alright, I got one of them.
Oh my god, dude. They jump too? Oh, I have no more arrows. Time to club the man.
I'm not coming.
Oh, oh fuck, dude. This guy is a big boy. Some armor again? Fuck this, dude. fuck you, dude. Come on. Oh god. Oh god, he's hurting me hard. Back!
Oh, he fucked me up. He fucked me up.
Oh, I got nothing for rain. Oh, actually, I got a dynamite.
Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stay there, don't move, buddy. I think I hit him. Maybe this won't work. He's still standing? Are you kidding me? Oh! Oh! I'm gonna die. I don't like you. Oh, good shit, good shit.
Fucking A.
Okay. Jesus Christ, this is so fucked up. I mean, hey, now our rocks are gonna look nice. Wait a minute, where the fuck?
I wonder if we can set them off. I really hope not. There's a skull on it, so it makes me feel like we can set it off.
Test it real quick. Ah!
Oh! I didn't, for some reason, I didn't think that we could set it off, but I almost immediately was like, we can, can't we?